I'm going to help you find what digital product you should be selling instead of going online and trying to find a digital product yourself. Now, this is great for beginners and for people who already know that they want to sell digital products, but you don't know what to sell, or you feel like you have nothing to offer, like no talents, no skills, and no expertise. I'm going to help you find that digital product that will be specific and custom to you that you can capitalize on and start making money selling digital products. Now, before we get started, I want you guys to go down in the comment section and tell me, what is your biggest problem with finding a digital product to sell? Is it A, I feel like I don't have nothing to offer? B, I don't have any talents or no skills or no expertise? Put it down in the comments and I will reply back, and so that we can help you get started as quickly as possible. By the way, I'm going to give you access to my free skill finder framework that's going to help you find your digital product with ease, and it's absolutely free. So stick to the end of this video so that you'll get free access to it, so that you can start finding the perfect digital product that you should be selling so you can make money online. Now, as a coach, the number one question I get asked when I get new clients is, Ronnie, yes, I want to sell digital products, but I don't know what to sell. I don't have any valuable skills to offer, and I'm not an expert. This couldn't be farthest from the truth. The truth is, you are an expert at something. Everybody is. And the only reason you feel like that is because you're not looking at things objectively. Almost every student and client that I've had the privilege to help believed that they weren't any experts. And they still went on to create a digital product, and not just any digital product, one that went viral, and they made money online and were able to leave their 9-to-5 jobs. And if you watch this video in a minute, I'm going to show you my skill finder framework that you can use to help you draw out that expertise that you didn't even know you had. So what you're looking at on the screen is my skill finder framework, and this is going to help you uncover what you already know so that you can see how you can get paid for it. Now, again, I told you if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this, and it's absolutely free. Now, this framework is going to help you uncover skills that you can turn into a profitable digital product, even if you think you have no skills at all. And you don't need to be an expert. Just like myself, when I first started out, I didn't know a lot about this industry. I had never sold anything online. I didn't have any incredible expertise or tons of clients or a large following, right? You don't need any of that stuff. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. And that's the main thing you need to understand. So if you think you have nothing valuable to sell as a digital product, I want you to think again. The truth is, you already have knowledge, skills, and experiences that people will happily pay for. You just don't see them yet. So this skill finder framework is going to help you uncover those hidden skills, even if you think you have nothing to offer. So in just a few minutes, you're going to have a clear idea of what you can turn into a profitable digital product so that you can start making money online today. Now, most people believe that to sell a digital product, they need to be an expert, have a degree, or spend years mastering a subject, and that's completely false. If you've ever solved a problem, helped a friend, or figured something out that used to confuse you, you already have something valuable to share, and I'm going to show you that in this video. But before we get into that, I want to prove to you that this actually works. The key for this whole thing to work is that you actually have to recognize what that skill is. And that's what this skill finder framework is going to help you do. I want you guys to look at one of my clients. Her name is Gift. Now, she was just like you. She was stuck in her 9-to-5 job, and she was totally convinced that she had no special skills. And she also used this same skill finder framework, and she realized she had a knack for organizing spreadsheets. That small skill turned into a $27 ebook, and within a week, she had made $2,200. So I'm telling you guys this, not to brag. Results are always not typical, like get all that, but I want you to understand this. You do have something to sell. There are people selling way less valuable things online and making thousands of dollars every single day. So here's the secret. People will pay for shortcuts. If you save them time, money, or frustration, they'll gladly pay for your knowledge, even if it feels basic for you. Now, I tell all of my students in my class, your 10% is somebody else's 90%. So what you think is nothing to you, somebody will pay top dollar for, because you're saving them time, money, or frustration. And that's why people buy stuff, because it makes their lives easier. Now, this framework is going to help you uncover those hidden skills so that you can do the same. And all you have to do is just answer these 3 simple questions. And when you receive the Skill Finder framework, I want you to go through it and not take it lightly and actually answer each and every one of these questions. Question number 1. What problems do people ask you for help with? And when you're asking yourself these questions, I want you to think about your friends, your families, or even coworkers. What do they always come to you for advice on? And just for educational purposes, I have some examples. People might always ask you how you meal prep for the week so easily. Or you might be the go-to person at work when someone needs help setting up spreadsheets. Or your friends might always ask how you stay fit as a busy dad. Anything like that you always get asked over and over that you think is pretty basic and doesn't have any value, that is a potential digital product that you could capitalize on and make a lot of money. Now, after you've answered those questions, I want you to go to question number 2 and ask yourself, what's something you struggle with but now understand? And here's why. Most digital products come from personal experience. Think about something that used to be hard for you, but you figured out. For me, one of the things in the very beginning when I first started selling digital products was how to set up my first landing page. And I remember getting started in that process. Keep in mind, this is before all the tech and AI that we have now. That process was very difficult. I didn't know how to set up a landing page. I didn't know what my headline should be. I didn't know about images and graphics. So when I finally completed my first landing page and sales page, it was like a big achievement for me. But me being the person that had achieved this thing, I had acquired the knowledge and skills to teach those people who have never done it before. So some examples for you might be something like, I used to be terrible at budgeting, but now I've mastered saving money. Or I was overwhelmed by fitness, but maybe you created a simple routine that works. Or maybe you hate writing emails, but now you know how to get people to reply and open and maybe even make a purchase. All of those things could be something that you could possibly sell as a digital product. And it doesn't have to be anything that you might have learned online. Maybe at your job, maybe at your work from home job that you're already doing. Whatever you've mastered or become highly skilled at, you could turn into a digital product. So right now, I want you to comment one of your skills down in the comments below, and I'm going to reply back and tell you whether or not this might have the potential to be a digital product. Do that right now. Now, for question number 3, I want you to ask yourself, what tasks do you do at work that others struggle with? Even if you want to leave your 9-to-5, your current job has valuable skills that you can monetize. You wouldn't believe how many people there are right now online that are monetizing skills that they learned and acquired through their 9-to-5 job. And I'm talking about not even traditional like corporate jobs, but we're talking about like even teachers who are selling templates to help other teachers teach their students. There's even people who do DoorDash and Uber who are helping people learn how to do it and make more money in that process as well. Like nothing is off the table. So comment, what tasks do you do at work that others struggle with that you might be having even the smallest bit of success with? And again, here are some great examples. You might be great at creating the PowerPoint presentations that look professional, or you might be able to manage teams and you know how to make projects run smoothly, or you might be good at writing reports and emails that actually get results. These are top dollar things that you could turn into a digital product that you're leaving on the table because you think they're too basic and nobody will pay you any money for. Now, as promised, I told you if you stuck around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to this Skill Finder framework. So if you've been commenting to this video, I'm going to reply back with that link. But if you didn't, it's okay. All you got to do is go down in the YouTube description and you're going to see the link for the Skill Finder framework right below this video. Also, I didn't reveal everything in this Skill Finder framework because I wanted to leave an element of surprise for you when you actually get it. Now, keep in mind, this Skill Finder framework is 100% free. You won't have to pay a dime to put your wallet up. But inside this Skill Finder framework, I'm also going to give you a free ChatGPT prompt, and it's a template. And all you have to do is fill in some blanks, copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and it's going to give you an even clearer idea of what digital product that you should be selling based off your skills that you didn't even know you had. Now, when you find that skill using this skill finder framework, I want you to come back to this video and comment what that skill is. I always reply back, but now that you know a digital product that you can start selling, the next thing is to turn that idea into an actual digital product. And that's why you want to watch this video popping up on your screen. This video is going to show you how to take that idea and turn it to an actual digital product in under 10 minutes. It's going to blow you away. So make sure you watch that video right after this one, because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Till then, stay blessed.